Kintsugi tutorial video, how to create urushi box. You need to prepare cardboard, towel or rag, plastic sheet, weight. Instead of cardboard, wooden or plastic box with a lid is also okay. First, spread out the plastic sheet. Then, wet the towel. Place the wet towel on the plastic sheet. Place the item in the center to harden urushi. Close the lid to keep in the humidity. Please keep the box in a warm place, like 20 to 30 degrees Celsius or 68 to 86 Fahrenheit. Besides the temperature, urushi needs the humidity of 70 to 85% to harden. Next step, you can do kintsugi. So please try kintsugi at home with our kintsugi kit. It's now on sale. We are not perfect incorporated.